Follow the steps on how to place text between objects like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the background. Insert the text. Adjust the size and position. Select this layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Hold Ctrl and click here. Click and drag the background image onto the text. Make mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert. Lower the fill percentage of this layer. Select this thumbnail. Activate the brush tool and set it like this. Make sure white is on top. Turn off the caps lock, set the brush size and apply to the area you want to remove. Apply this method to all letters. If you accidentally erase an area you shouldn't, change it to black to fill it. After all the letters are finished, return the fill percentage to its original state. Add a new layer. Set the brush to be like this. Make sure black is on top and apply shadows under the leaves. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.